Oh, hi guys!
Hello guys! Magluluto kami ng pancake today!
Yes, we're going to cook pancake. Okay?
Anong araw na?
We're going to cook pancake with my nephew, guys. This is my nephew, my sister, son. And he will teach me how to cook pancake, right, Gian? Okay, we're going to start now. This is the original hot cake mix. This is the ingredients, guys. Anyway, yeah, this is the ingredients. And we have 2 eggs. We have 2 eggs. And milk.
And
Powdered milk.
2 stone.
Okay. So, what we are going to do? I don't know.
This is a egg.
So, what are the first thing to do, Gia? We need to... Paano natin lulutuin yan? Hindi ko alam. Nag-experiment na lang tayo.
I-post mo yung powder konti para
Ito.
konti. Tapos pag
Basahin natin ang number ito. Preheat oven. Ay, hindi. Mix all ingredients in a bowl until slightly lumpy.
guys, hindi niya alam kung paano ng pancake.
Nagluluto na ako ng pancake pero nakalimutan ko na. Ilalagay daw muna natin to
Lalagay natin ito
sa
pagkatapos.
bowl.
Tapos, nakalimutan. Guys, nakalimutan ko. Itanong mo nga sa akin.
Jem, paano ba ito, Jem?
Ayaw mo, sige.
Hindi, una kong nilagay itong itong pancake, itong hot cake mix. Lahat o hindi? Ay, isang pack lang lahat to. Tapos,
Itlog lang. Kaya ko naman.
tapos,
Inigon.
tapos, lagyan ko ng itlog, tinidor, tinidor, egg.
Guys, ako mag-ano ng egg.
So, sige, ito, magana ng egg.
Crack the egg.
Crack the egg. Put the egg. O, ito pa isa. Crack mo ba itong isa?
Come on, the egg.
Okay. Then,
Let's go!
okay, then we will mix the milk. Then, ilang kutsarang milk? Dalawang scoop. Hindi, akala ko nga alam ko, hindi ko pala alam. Nakalimutan ko na kasi. Then, we put water.
Done.
Then, we mix.
Mix now!
Mix.
Oh, I'm sorry. I know how. And I'm sorry. I know how am I.
Okay, then we mix this.
Then we put.
Dapat, okay na ba yung camera? Magluto na kayo ng pancake.
Hello guys!
Nabaliktad
Nawala
ko na
ba
siya.
ako?
Tignan mo, nabaliktad ko na siya.
Okay guys, nabalik na daw. Nabaliktad na daw. Nabaliktad na.
Okay, after this guys, we're going to eat na.
Yummy, yummy.
You want to finish all? Naku, si Prim.
What do you want? Salary. Tapos nanay yun na sa, ano lang yun. Easy mo na. Diba guys? Right. Right. Dalaway pa. Okay, butas na dyan. Ano, ibaliktad yun na. Six, seven. 6, Okay na.
Magmukbang na tayo. O, anong kakainin mo dyan? Saan? Yan.
Ibigay mo to kay, kay nanay.
O, bigyan mo kay nanay.
Itong dalawa. Last name pa lang natin pinag-usapan.